Hello everyone, welcome to Survey Data Analysis in R, a crash course. I am thrilled to embark on this learning adventure with all of you. In this course web page, you can learn more about the course description, the learning objectives, the prerequisites, and you can also find the lecture videos. Additionally, you can find some more resources and also information on how I created this course. Lastly, you will find this online form using which you can reach out to me in case you have any questions or concerns related to any of the contents discussed in this course. This course has been divided in 3 modules, module 1, 2, and 3. Each module uses a different dataset. Ideally, you should follow the order in which these contents are presented. However, if you are familiar with a topic, you can also skip that topic and move on to the next topic. Now let's have a look at how this course differs from most of the openly available resources on survey data analysis in R. Here I would like to focus on 4 key issues. One is the dataset that is used. Rather than using fictional datasets, I use real-world datasets in this course. So the datasets that I'll be using, these are widely used by researchers to conduct research in the social sciences. Now, in terms of the objective of this course, I share with you some very specific tasks rather than teaching you generic tasks. Another issue is the number of packages used in this course. I use only 3 packages. So these will be dplyr, ggplot2, and fixest. These 3 packages will help you do majority of the things that you have to do to analyze survey data in R. Lastly, this course prioritizes a quick learning approach. So for most of you, somewhere between 1 to 7 days should be enough to grasp all the content in this course, and you wouldn't need a semester-long commitment to master the lessons that I discuss in this course. This course has 3 main learning objectives. First of all, the lessons will help you begin survey data analysis in R for your research purpose. Secondly, you'll be able to apply many of the lessons learned from this course in context beyond survey data analysis. Lastly, you'll be able to tidy up your pre-existing knowledge of coding in R. This course does not require any textbooks. However, I provide written versions of all 3 modules in blog articles. For example, here is the written version of the lessons discussed in module 1. You can find the links to these written versions in the course website. Additionally, if you want to learn more about data analysis in R, feel free to visit my Medium page. So Medium is a platform where I love to share my ideas on a wide range of topics, including data analysis, data literacy, causal inference, and well-being. All the video lectures in this course are shared on YouTube, and I have created a playlist, so feel free to check my YouTube playlist as well. So how about the prerequisites? This course does not have any prerequisites, so even if you have never coded in R before, you will not face any major obstacles. Ideally, you should have RStudio installed. However, if you don't have RStudio installed, you can use the RStudio's cloud version as the alternative option. To download RStudio, follow the steps mentioned in the RStudio website. So they are officially now called POSIT. Also in their website, you can find information on the RStudio's cloud version. Thank you again for choosing to join this course. Let's get started.